Hello, everyone! Today we are visiting a magical place called Etosha National Park. It is a world-famous safari park in Namibia, a beautiful country in southwest Africa. Etosha is huge. It is home to about 114 different kinds of mammals, like lions and elephants, and over 400 kinds of colorful birds. Here, you don't just watch animals from a bus, you can drive your own car and go on a real safari adventure. Are you ready to see what an amazing adventure 3 brave girls had in this wonderful park? Let's go find out together! Our very first animal friend is a white elephant, known as the ghost elephant of Etosha. Etosha's elephants are actually gray. To hide from the hot sun, they splash themselves with white mud. It is their favorite natural sunscreen. This smart trick makes them look like beautiful white elephants. Today, let's meet a very special animal friend from Etosha National Park, the black-faced impala. While regular impalas have light brown faces, these cool friends look like they are wearing a dark black mask from their forehead down to their nose. A long time ago, they were in big trouble because there were only a few hundred left in the wild. But thanks to people taking great care of them, they are safe now. Today, thousands of them are happily running around Etosha National Park. Next up, let's meet a super cute little friend named the Mara Dik-Dik. This animal is as small as a puppy and has big, beautiful eyes with long eyelashes. Because they are so tiny, they have to be very careful of big, scary predators like lions, leopards, cheetahs, and eagles. When a dik-dik senses danger, it makes a funny dik-dik sound with its nose to warn others. And that's how it got its cool name. Dik-Dik is very shy and great at playing hide-and-seek because its fur blends in with nature. Let's turn off our engine, stay super quiet, and peek closely into the bushes. Can you find it? Here is another animal friend. The Etosha ground agama is a small, brave lizard that lives in the dry deserts of Africa. Because its skin looks just like sand and rocks, it can hide from scary predators very well. This little lizard loves to run fast on the ground, sunbathe in the morning, and eat yummy bugs like ants and beetles. When the rain comes, it digs a cozy hole in the sand and lays eggs to meet its cute babies. Meet our special friend, the black rhino. Etosha National Park is the best and safest home for these rare, amazing animals. Black rhinos are actually very shy, so they love to come out at night. If you want to see these gentle giants, the dry season is the perfect time to visit. When the weather gets dry and they get thirsty, they quietly walk out of the dark to visit the park's special water holes. If you sit very quietly at Okukuyo Camp at night, you can see them right in front of your eyes. It is like magic. Besides the animals we just saw, many other friends live in Etosha National Park. Next, we are going to the Spitzkoppe Campsite. Imagine a place where giant, smooth rocks look like sleeping dinosaurs. That is Spitzkoppe. It is a magical camping spot in Namibia. During the day, you can climb the round rocks, play hide-and-seek in secret caves, and look for ancient rock paintings drawn by people a long, long time ago. There is even a huge rock that looks like a giant stone bridge. When the sun goes down, the sky turns bright orange and pink. At night, it gets very dark, and millions of stars light up the sky like a beautiful blanket. You can sit by the campfire, roast marshmallows, and look at the stars with your family. It is the perfect place for a grand adventure. The final place for the 3 children's trip is the Namib Desert. The Namib Desert is a magical place where red sand, white ground, and blue ocean meet. It took 55 million years to make, and it looks like a beautiful dream. They arrived at their very first stop, Sesrium Canyon. A long time ago, a river called Sauchab washed away the rocks little by little to create this amazing canyon. Inside, you can walk between the tall rocks to hide from the hot desert sun and explore the cool secret paths hidden right in the middle of the desert. After their exciting adventure at Sesrium Canyon, the children head to the Skeleton Coast in the Namib Desert. The Skeleton Coast is a very unique and mysterious place in the Namib Desert, where the burning hot sand meets the freezing cold ocean. It got its spooky name because a long time ago, many big ships got lost in the thick fog and crashed onto the shore, leaving old shipwrecks behind. Today, instead of pirates, it is a wild home where cute seals love to play on the beach and brave desert lions hunt for food. The 3 best friends reach their next stop, Twyfelfontein. Twyfelfontein is like a giant outdoor rock art museum in Namibia, Africa. A very long time ago, ancient hunters carved more than 2,500 pictures into the big red rocks. If you visit, you can see amazing drawings of giraffes, elephants, lions, and even animal footprints. These carvings show us how people lived and what animals they saw thousands of years ago. Because it is so special, it became Namibia's very first UNESCO World Heritage Site. 3 little girls arrived at another magical place. It is called the Quiver Tree Forest. There is a magical place in Namibia called the Quiver Tree Forest. It looks like a playground for friendly giants. The trees here are very special. They are not actually trees, but huge aloe plants that grow tall like trees. Long ago, people used their hollow branches to make quivers for arrows. These trees love the hot sun and can live for a very long time. Walking through this forest feels like stepping into a beautiful fairy tale. Huba meteorite, a friend from space who flew here 80,000 years ago. 3 children visited a place called the Giant's Playground. It looks like huge giants randomly stacked up Lego blocks while playing. That was the wonderful story of 3 best friends making magical memories in Namibia. See you next time with more fun videos and stories. Bye!